Welcome to Learn Again manual testing. Today we are going to discuss about the categories of the defects. Okay, defect categories. What about defect categories? Defect categories are divided into two types. Let me save the document. It's day. I think I don't know how much day. No. Defect. What is this one? Defect management. In defect management, we'll about priority and severity. Okay, the defect categories are two types. The first one is priority. The second one is severity. What is the difference between severity and priority? Very, very important. So let's take an example. What is the difference between severity and priority? Okay, first one is priority. I will write here priority, priority. Space, I will write severity. Now we'll take real-time examples of severity and priority. Now tell me at what condition we'll call it as priority. In real time, where we use the word priority. Priority is nothing. Let's take, we're going for any important occasions, right? So we need to do the priority thing first. Priority is nothing but doing the things and making the things in a sequential manner. So I'm giving which one has to do first, and which one has to do next, and which one has to do the after next, something like, right? So priority nothing but we need to do the things as soon as possible. Same like whenever I found a defect, it has to fix as soon as possible. A defect which has to fix as soon as possible. Look at it as priority defects. So next, severity. What is severity? So in real world, where we have used about severity is severe. So we have written leave letters, right? In leave letter, we'll write, respected sir, I am suffering with severe fever. I am suffering with severe headache. Something like we are showing our problem in your system, right? So nothing but the defect which shows the problem in the systems, which shows the degree of impact. It will show the degrees. This much of degrees of temperature is there in my body. It will showing the impact of the impact of fever on in our body, right? Same like a defect which shows impact, degree of impact, shows degree of impact, degree of impact in the system. Okay, what I will do, or else I will write other things one by one. The system, we'll call it as severity. So see here, first we'll go to second point of priority. The defect has to fix as soon as possible. At what condition I will call it as please fix the defect as soon as possible, which means if the defect is showing a problem to the customers, if the defect is creating a problem to the customers. So nothing but defect which is user point of view, we will call it as a priority defect. The second one, a defect, obvious, who are checking the system? We are the people who checking the system, right? A defect, sorry, defect, okay, which is QA point of view. The next, third also, any guess? This means the defect is accorded user side only, right? Just a minute. now they have different status. In priority, we have different status. Those status are nothing but the A. The first status is low. Priority rate, yeah, low. The second one is medium, and the last one is high. So it also contains the status. Okay, the first status is A, sorry, critical, B, major, the third one is C, moderate, the fourth one is D, minor, sorry, oh God, minor, the last one is cosmetic. So now it is user point of view, right? The priority. That's why status, who will decide the status? Status will be decided by user only. But here the status is divided by decided by obvious QA member only. So QA team. Sorry. Okay. Later. Okay. So it occurs. It's seen by the users only. Right? It's impacting users, right? So seen at user side UAT or occur set. Occur set UAT. Obvious. It is occur set. We are doing when we are doing system testing, right? So occur set system testing. So these are the difference between priority and severity. Okay. Let me see anything we can add. 5, right? 5 points. Okay. That's it for the day. Thank you.